Welcome to the best pizza channel.
Good morning guys, it's 4 AM here in Italy and I'm about to go in the hood. I'm about to go hunt some mushroom just for you. Everybody's sleeping, so enjoy this video.
And guys, of course, I didn't forget, one of my friends is coming. He's bringing the dough, he's bringing the pizza oven. So let's go ahead, let's put it in the car. Francesco, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Are we ready?
Yeah, of course.
Take a look. Ooh. Can't wait to show you. Now let's go get my father and then we have to go. We have to go. Buongiorno padre.
Buongiorno. Ma dove cazzo dobbiamo andare a fare i funghi?
Siamo carichi?
Sono carichi.
It's 5:47 AM and then it's gonna be fun today, so we decide to bring you with us today. Go, go. We got it, guys. We are in the location. It's 7:49 and 3 Celsius. Really cold outside. We are. Look at this. How beautiful it is. Hello guys, from Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and dedicating your time to watch my videos. Today we are here, like you can see, in the middle of the forest in Italy. Today this video is going to be a little bit different. This is gonna be my new series, Vito Around the World. Today I'm going to show you a very special pizza with mushroom and another type of maybe a puccia with mushroom, some maybe some other dish of mushroom. We are going to try everything today, but I'm here, like you can see, because I'm going to hunt some mushroom. Yes, hunt some mushroom in the middle of the forest. So let's get ready and then let's see, let's enjoy my journey. We're gonna find some mushroom today. The name of the mushroom is, we're gonna try to find some porcini or some gardongelli. We are with my father that he knows really well mushrooms. So let's go hunt some mushroom, padre. My father knows about the mushroom. Let's go. So how we find mushroom? Come troviamo i funghi?
Andiamo di là. Allora, dove si vedono così gonfio, basta sollevare senza rovinare e guardare sotto, perché sotto fanno i funghi. Così, senza scavare il bosco. Basta vedere un po' dove vede gli avvallamenti.
Guys, my father just found something. There we go.
Vediamo la testa.
He found something right here. There we go. One mushroom. Oh, Francesco, yeah. There we go, guys. We find something nice and something different because we changed the location. Look at this. Vieni vicino, vieni. Those are nice and smooth. See, there's another one right here. There's another one right here. Those are really nice. What is the knife? Vieni, papà, vieni.
Pizza, come here.
Come here. Those are really nice.
Oh, mamma mia, bellissimo.
Riprendi.
Bellissimo.
Those
Vieni.
are really nice. Come faccio? Il taglio?
No, tiralo prima e poi lo tagli. Tiralo, sì. Ok?
Ok.
Mo, bellissimo.
Fantastic, guys, take a look. Okay, we put it separate.
Oh, l'altro lì.
Sì.
Bellissimo. Tiralo prima.
Aspetta. I don't wanna mess it up.
Oh,
Nice, take a look. Beautiful. I think those are really enough mushroom to be able to cook and show you some amazing dish. Francesco, we are ready to cook.
yeah, of
We're gonna
course.
make some pizza, padre. Ma facciamo una bella pizza?
Sì.
E cuociamo un
Yes.
paio di funghi.
Bellissimo.
So let's go ahead and let's cook. Let's get ready the oven and the set, and let's make some pizza together. Please smash the like and thumbs up and subscribe right here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Bellissimo. Oh! Bellissimo. Oh.
Okay, Francesco, we are ready. The set is ready. So I need a little stone right here. 1 second, we can put everything.
Ok.
Beautiful, there we go. Perfect. Now we are ready to set. We are ready to rock and roll. And I'm gonna show you to make something very special, very wild. So let me wash my hands. So to start, I'm gonna show you a pizza. Actually, to start, we have to start up the oven. 1 second. Let's fire up the oven. Okay, let's fire up, Frangé. There we go, with some wood inside. This is fresh mozzarella. Got some rosemary, got some parsley. Gonna go ahead and cut the parsley. The parsley, oh my god. There we go. Rosemary for later, and then we have some cherry tomato. The best one now is the mushroom, guys. You're gonna cook the mushroom just like this. I like to cut the mushroom this way. Nice. Take a look, those mushroom, wild mushroom. Guys, this is organic for sure. There we go. Mushroom are ready, and let's get ready to cook it. Okay, guys, now ready to make the pizza, the mushroom. We can cook the mushroom with just the flame of the oven. Oh, so a little bit of olive oil, saute a little bit, parsley. Let's put 3 or 4 some nice cherry tomato. We give it a little cut, little bit, and we dump it in. This way the juice of the tomatoes will make a nice little sauce that we're gonna use to make it the base of the pizza. So let's go ahead and let's put it in. Couple of minutes, and we just gonna check it out. The mushroom are nice and cooked. I'm gonna roast it a little bit. Woohoo, just like that. Man, it smells so good. Smells so good, guys. Amazing. Perfetto così, Francesco. Voila, I didn't thought about that. I just opened up, I saw the flame, I say, let me roast some mushroom just like that. Amazing. Perfect. I'm gonna put it back in the oven a couple of minutes, and those are nicely done. In the oven, let's close and let's roast it. Okay guys, the mushroom are lovely. The mushroom are lovely done. Let's squeeze some tomatoes. Wow, fantastic. Couple of seconds. Perfect. Ooh. Take a look. Take a look of those mushrooms. Nice. We have a nice juice right there. Take a look. See? Nice juice. Then that juice I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the pizza. So let's get the oven really hot and let's make the pizza. Okay guys, now we are ready to make the pizza. A fabulous pizza, a unique pizza. Take it out from the box. Boom, 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 on the floor. Done. Let's cut those extra pieces. We're gonna be very wild today, so don't pay attention of the details. Little bit of flour on top, voila, on the bottom, and let's stretch the pizza. Pizza is lifestyle, is a piece of art, it's not just pizza. Take off all the flour. Now let's put the juice, you remember, from the cherry tomato, the oil and the mushroom together. Let's put the juice on top. Wow, take a look, fantastic. Make sure it's cold, it's not that hot. And now let's put everything, the mushroom, the cherry tomatoes, boom, 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 boom. Let's close this. Let's fix everything. Wow, take a look of this pizza. Fantastic, smells so good. Now let's put some mozzarella on top. Voila. Voila. Wow, I wanna eat the mushroom just like that. And now let's go in the oven. Just like that, voila. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, oven hot, in the oven. Voila. Now let's wait to cook. Ready to rock and roll. Nice and crispy. Take a look. Wow. Take a look of those mushrooms. Outstanding. Now we have to wait the cools down to be able to eat. Padre, pizza è pronta. Francesco, pizza è pronta.
I'm coming, baby.
Let's go, come here. Come here, come here guys. Come here guys. The time have come.
Dammi un pezzo, dammi che c'ho fame.
Vieni, vieni, vieni dietro, vieni qua. Dietro la cucina. Here, there we go.
Oh.
There we go.
Sì.
And guys, wait until the end because we're gonna make more. We're gonna make more different things. Let's taste. Ah. Wow.
Di lusso. E chi lo doveva dire oggi? Mezze boschi.
Those mushrooms are the best. A little bit of salt that we forgot home, of course. Un po' di sale ci voleva. Ce lo siamo scordati. But Francesco now is gonna cook more mushroom in a different way, and then we're gonna make a piadina, a different type of pizza. Close piadina. Sei pronto a mangiare, papà? Mio padre mangia. He's gonna eat. Of course, the camera guy in the back here is gonna eat too. Want some pizza? Okay guys, we are making a piadina. It's a different dish, always with the pizza dough, but this is piadina. Basically, is a flat bread, flip it over, and Francesco is gonna cook some mushroom right now.
Yeah.
There we go. You put the skin on.
No. This is aglio in camicia.
Aglio in camicia. Thin slice mushroom.
This is cardoncello.
Cardoncello.
Cardoncello altamurano.
We just got it right now.
What?
We just got it right now.
Now we gotta put all.
Little bit in the oven. No parsley, nothing.
No parsley now, no parsley, no nothing.
You know, you can cook also here.
Yeah.
On top right here. Woohoo!
Ooh, amazing.
The wood is so hot. Oh, smells the garlic. Oh my god.
Yep.
There we go. Little bit a filo di olio. Tell me stop, eh?
No. Facciali un po',
Prego.
così si cuociono un pochino meno. Ok.
Wow, it smells so good. The rosemary with the garlic.
Yep.
Oh my
Of
god.
course.
Okay, now let's get ready with the piadina. So we have to stretch this pizza a little bit different, huh?
Yep. Without the cross
Sorry.
or the cornicione.
Without the cross, so thin cross pizza.
Yep. Okay.
A little bit of flour. Boom, 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 boom. And now we stretch. Come closer, my friend, come closer. So we stretch everything, the crust. We stretch like a body style pizza. No cross, no air in the dough. Boom, 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 boom. Voila. Little bit of olive oil. I put olive oil before with the same olive oil that was in the mushroom.
Voila. Because now the cooking of the pizza is
needs to be-
very slow. One more time.
Take a look of the place that we are.
One,
Today.
2, and 3.
Number 3. Ready, pay attention right now.
Voila.
Voila. Let's go. Let's finish it.
Okay.
Put it down. Come closer.
Now,
Perfect. Wow. Some fresh mozzarella on top. Raw.
Questa è mia, ehi!
Whoa, my father,
questa
my
è mia!
father.
Oh,
Wait, we're not done yet. Aspetta, wait. Come here. Hold on. Fai vedere. And now,
and now we gotta close just
like
like
a
that.
sandwich. Oh my god. Boom, boom, boom. To my father.
Oh!
He deserves this. He deserves this. Eat.
Very good.
Oh, dammi un pezzo, a little piece.
No.
You don't even get a taste.
Mamma
Vieni.
mia.
Juice coming out. Outstanding. Wow. Guys, tell me right now in the comment, what do you think of this amazing
a piece of.
No,
this amazing
sorry.
series, this amazing experience that we're doing here. We are cooking in the nature from the food that the nature is giving to us. So please guys, leave a big thumbs up and keep supporting, subscribe the channel, share. My father right there is eating the pizza. Francesco, thank you so much. You made something amazing. We're gonna keep cooking, and those are the amazing mushrooms that we cook. We got today. We hunt today in the basically in the nature of Puglia. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. From Maestro Iacopelli, Francesco, mio padre, my father, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.